I have many favourite recipes. Probably my favourite recipe to serve in the Pyrex casserole, but it's a bread and butter pudding done with croissants, Nutella and ricotta and a homemade custard.
Grandma was amazing at chucking stuff together in the dish. Something like tomato soup was the base, but it had celery in it, had other vegetables in it. I don't really know, but it tasted amazing.
Well, my kids used to love shepherd's pie, but it had to have baked beans in as well. And I used to make that in the big square casserole.
I used to do a very big trifle in there, you know, sort of double the recipe. But I always had a lot of sherry in it. Definitely. The sherry would be sort of swimming in the bottom.
I've got my mum's banana bread recipe from Canada. Everyone likes banana bread. You put some chocolate chips through it, you've got a winner. And the J.J. Pyrex loaf tins, the long glass ones, are a perfect shape. They bake up lovely every time. You can take them right to work, pop them on the counter. Everyone can have banana bread. It's a good day for everyone.
The roast beef is always cooked in this dish, virtually.
Yes.
Well, what creatures of habit? We always have roast beef on a Sunday. If it wasn't there, Sunday. Where's the roast beef? What do they call it?